Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with the third week of July reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So the reading starts from the 15th through the 21st of July 2021. So yeah, I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added. We will also include color cards as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So fishies, let's find out what is happening in this connection, in your love life in this third week of July 2021. Let's begin. What can you expect coming up for you in your third week time? Let's see. The star paired up with Six of Swords. Um, just know one thing. Whatever that is happening right now, be that good, be that not so good, be that whatever. Try to keep yourself positive because the universe is taking care of everything. So whatever you want is gonna come through. So just go with the flow. Don't overthink. Don't overanalyze, and just live in the moment. Um, Situation might not be as favorable as you would like to see it, but again, like I said, the divine is taking care of everything, so try to stay positive around it. Something good will come out of the situation, whatever the situation that you are dealing with right now with your person in your love life or otherwise as well in your life overall. So try to stay positive, and I feel like you are gonna feel like for some of you, really want divine help to move forward in your life, in your love life, especially because you feel like there is lack of stability, lack of you don't want turbulence anymore in your love life. So I feel like you want God to help you find the right path forward so you could have the wishes fulfilled love life now, because you are done with the turbulence in your love life. You're done with all the bullshits that you might have dealt with. And you really want something beautiful now. You really want something stable, committed, fulfilling now. So you might be connecting to your God as well in the very beginning of the week time to let your God know that this is what I want. This is what I'm looking for in my love life. Just help me find that right path forward. So I feel like, for majority of you, you are going to choose to, maybe go alone or go single because you don't want to deal with shitty relationships now. You want things to be stable, you want things to be balanced, you want things to be happy. So I feel like that's what you're choosing. Let's see more cards here. The Hierophant, yeah, I feel like you will be connecting yourself to your higher self, to the God that you believe in a lot in this week time, because you really are tired of everything that you might have been facing in your love life. You want something beautiful now and you believe that you deserve it, and you don't know what are the delays all about now, because you are so ready and prepared for something beautiful to come in your life. Now the only thing that maybe or could be the block here, you going back to the old ways of dealing with things, that is something that you need to control here, because right now I do see your energies are very positive, you're heading in the right direction, but you have to continue putting effort to do so, because fishies have a great tendency of going back to old patterns because they feel at home with the old patterns, like they feel like at peace with when they go back to the old patterns or old relationships. So it's very important for you to keep moving forward. Don't look back now, and believe that something good will come from, even if there is a past person that you are dealing with as well. Just know that the God that you believe in is going to bring you that person forward as a changed person, as a person who you always wanted them to be. So just keep moving forward. Don't go backward again to the old ways of dealing with past person as well. Let's see more cards here. Queen of Cups, you have lots of love to give, to offer to your person, and you really want somebody in your life who could value that love, who could value that attention that you give to your person. You really wishing and hoping for something beautiful to come in your love life in this week time. You feel that you are blocked. You don't know what to do. Like I said earlier as well, I feel like fishy seems to be blocked here because they feel like nothing is moving forward. They are tired of stagnation. They are tired of going backwards. They are tired of dealing with the same on and off situations. They want something beautiful, something stable to come in their life, and they really feel like walking away from people, situations that that bring them nothing but shitty situations further in their life. So I feel like, for majority of you, you are going to choose to walk away from a person because you don't deserve this kind of connection, and you really believe that you deserve someone better than this. And that's what you would be doing. I feel like, again, the only issue here would be you going back to the old patterns, because you have such a deep connection with the past person, such a deep connection with the past patterns, that you fail to continue moving forward, and that's the block in your love life. So you really have to stick to the decision that, okay, fine, you are done with them, you are done with them for real. Just keep moving forward. If they are meant to be with you, the God is going to change their heart, mind, soul for you to be exactly how you wanted your man, your woman to be, and then they will come back in your life once they are ready and prepared. For now, it's very important for you to move on to um, to a better future for yourself, choosing to love yourself, choosing to value your love as well and your emotions as well, which you might be wasting on for a wrong person here. Or even if it's a right person, maybe they are for now taking it for granted, and maybe you need to pull away from them. So I do see for majority of my fishes, you might be doing that in this week time. Let's take one last card here. Three of Swords. You're not happy in your love life. You're not happy with the situations that you're dealing with in your love life, and you are choosing to walk away from things. Underneath the deck, we do have the King of Swords. You still have that person on your mind though, but you don't know. You don't know if you want this person any longer or not, because this person is always good to be to be physical with, but when it comes to something stable, something committed, they always disappoint you in that area. So feel like, you are going to feel like, no, I don't want to deal with them now. You will have that kind of irritation towards this person. So yeah, let's see what the which color card is going to be good for you. Which colors could be lucky for you in this week time? Scarlet attracts success. Number seven can be a lucky number for you for this week time. This shade of red with a pinch of black is going to be lucky for you in this time. Maybe you can attract success in love and relationships all in all together. But yes, before that, before you could have that success, you have to stop going back to old ways of dealing with things. If you could do that, trust me, something beautiful will come out of the situation. Let's take one more card here. Gold attract abundance. Number 21. So 21st of July could be a significant date for you as well. And gold color is also going to be lucky for you. So let's see more oracle cards. Let's see what else you need to do or to focus on in this week time, so you could have the wishes fulfilled love life. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. For some of you, maybe it's high time that you move on. Maybe it's high time that you move on to your soulmate. Maybe you are stuck with a person who is not keeping your soulmate, and you need to understand that maybe they are somebody different than who you believe they are to be. So maybe you can choose to move on to a better person. Let's see what else is the message for you. Awareness. Live in the moment, be conscious of your thoughts, look for signs and guidance. It's very important for you to live in the moment right now. Whatever that is happening in your life, just focus on to that. Take your decision based on the right now current circumstances, and once you take those decisions, once you choose to walk away from a person, once you choose to leave a past pattern, stick to that. You have a strong tendency of going back to old ways of dealing with things, which always cause you have a lot of negativity around you. So it's very important for you to watch your thoughts, watch your words, watch your energy level. Like, are you feeling positive, are you feeling negative, what thoughts are you thinking, what kind of thoughts that you need to get into, what kind of attitude you are carrying right now towards life, towards love life. It all matters a lot. So try to be aware of your being, how you're feeling, and try to feel positive, and because that's going to help you find the right path forward. And if you need any guidance and help, seek guidance from the divine. You will be guided through the right path forward. But again, for that you have to kind of let go of the stress that you might be taking around your love life. Plus, stop thinking negative that you might be thinking around your love life as well. right now in this week time. So try to stay positive and try to think positive as well. So yeah, that's pretty much just coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.